everybody, I'm making dinner for tonight and I'm making out of lentils little steaks with sauteed onions and vegan cheese melted over on top. Now I have my lentils in my cup. This is a cup of lentils with a cup of water that I had soaking for 8 hours. And look how big they got. So I'm going to put everything into my mixer over here, seasonings, my fresh garlic. I'm also going to add in lemon. I'm going to add in some of my tapioca starch just to bind them. And then I'm going to make them into like little steak, maybe Salisbury steak patties. So once I get everything in there, I will show you. Okay, everything is nice and incorporated. All my lentils are nice and mashed in. Now I'm going to add my lemons and my seasonings and my garlic and a little bit of my tapioca starch and mix it all together. Okay, now it's ready. I added in a little my fresh garlic, the juice of one lemon. I added in 2 tablespoons of my tapioca starch to bind them. I added in my adobo, Italian seasonings. I added in parsley, basil, and that is it. And I mixed them all together. Now I'm going to form them. Take them out of here and form them. And I will show you. And I got 6 little patties out of them. And I added some of my fresh breadcrumbs that I mixed in together, and they look beautiful. Now I'm going to fry them up. I'm going to start with my onions, put them to the side, then I'm going to add this into the pan, and I will show you. Okay, I have a little bit of olive oil in my pan. I'm going to wait till it heats up, then I'm going to add in my little lentil burgers, and then I'm going to fry them up, and then I'm going to add in my onions. I decided to switch it up and do it that way. And I added them all in there. So I'm going to wait till they cook on one side, and then I'm going to easily flip them over so they cook on the other side. And then I'm going to add the onions in there and cook those. Okay, I flipped them over. Look at how nice and brown they're getting. And they smell delicious. So as soon as the other side cooks, then I'm going to add in the onions. And then once it's all done, I'm going to top the onions. I'm going to top it with the cheese, and I will show you. Okay, the burgers are done. Now I put the onions in there. I'm going to saute them until they're nice and perfectly al dente. And then I'm going to add them to the burgers. Okay, my onions are all done. My burgers are done. My onions are done. And here is the finished product. I added in a little bit of my BioLife vegan shaved Parmesan, which is very good, and some Sweet Baby Rays on my Chi-Chi's wrap. And it's what's for dinner and lunch tomorrow. Recipe will be on my blog. Please like and follow for more. Buon appetito!